Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable and disable Pebble running mode on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, on your smartphone, just open the Mi Fitness app, then go to device. Now after that, on your Smart Band 10, just swipe up and open the app drawer, then go to settings. After that, just tap on running mode and select Pebble mode. From here, tap on turn on. Now as you can see where your band is shown. Now as you can see on your smartphone, it is saying you're now using the Smart Band 10 as your running accessory. Use it as the following method. Now after that, just tap on got it. Now as you can see, Pebble mode is on. From here you can select your workout. I will select walking. Just like that. Now to disable Pebble running mode, just tap on the screen to open, then tap on the screen one more time. Now just swipe up to disable Pebble running mode and select exit. And this is how you can enable and disable Pebble running mode on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.